This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing Git on your Mac OS. Prerequisites: a basic understanding of the command line, terminal on Mac OS. Step 1 is to check if Git is already installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. To check if Git is already installed, run the command git ---- version. If Git is installed, you'll see the Git version information. If not, you'll get an error message. Step 2 is installing Git on Mac OS. On Mac OS, you can install Git using the built-in package manager, Homebrew. On your terminal, run the command brew install git. If you don't have Homebrew installed, you can install it by following the instructions on the Homebrew website. Go to google.com, search for Homebrew install, click on the first link. To install Homebrew, copy the command from this page and run it on your terminal. Sudo access is needed, so enter your system password. Press enter. We can see brew is installed successfully, but there is a warning stating that brew is not in our path and the brew binary is at /opt/homebrew/bin. So we will make use of entire path to brew binary and check its version to validate that Homebrew is installed and running properly. Now that Homebrew is installed, run the command brew install git. Step 3 is to verify the installation. To verify that Git is installed correctly, run the command git ---- version. You should see the Git version information, indicating that Git has been successfully installed. To use the brew command without specifying the full path, we need to add /opt/homebrew/bin in path variable. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Git on your Mac machine. You can now start using Git for version control and collaboration on your software projects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.